Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in this really short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Circle, the community building software, as a marketplace for your platform, for your community, for your courses, for your content, for your members' content. Really, there's pretty much no limit to how to implement this particular strategy, and I'm going to show you really quickly how the new post editor that Circle rolled out, I don't know, in the last, let's say, month or so, really makes this super easy. So we're going to go to New Post, and this pop-up modal now is much smoother, much slicker, and much more attractive than the previous version of the post editor in Circle. So we're going to add, and we're going to say, okay, so we're not going to add a cover image in this case, actually. I'm just going to show you how to do this very quickly. So what you want to do here is click on that little gearbox, and then what I'm going to do, let me see if I can show you exactly what I'm doing here. I'm taking this mindfulness journal that we just actually uploaded to Gumroad. So here's the actual product. If I go into the share tab, it gives me, this is again, is Gumroad, but it gives me this embed code right here. This is the actual product on Gumroad that we're going to embed on our Circle community. And of course, your members can do this as well. You can offer your members the ability to do this if you want, really allowing everybody in a specific space on your Circle. You can turn that into a marketplace. So let's copy this. And let me see if I can go back to the right. Here it is. Under the custom HTML tab in that pop-up modal, you're going to paste the script right there. We could add a cover if we wanted to. I'm not going to do that here. We're just going to post it in the marketplace section. And there you have it. So now you have this completely embedded journal that folks can purchase right in the Circle community itself. And boom, right? So everyone who lands on this particular page can download a mindfulness journal. And of course, you can just continue to do this with the custom HTML tab and whatever embed code that is appropriate for your brand and your business. And if you go back to the marketplace section here, here's the downloaded mindfulness journal in the marketplace space within our Circle, which will just be dedicated to products and services that are purchasable rather than the community cohorts that are available elsewhere. Okie doke. So I hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.